What's up, everyone? If you wonder what I'm doing, I'm putting all the threads in the needles. And for those that are wondering about the multi-head from Smart Stitch, it doesn't come packaged like the 12 needle and 10 needle at all. So all those came with the thread in there, and all you do is basically tie another one on. You can change colors really quick. This one, you have to lace everything. So it's the whole kit and caboodle. It's crazy to me because it's a lot. So it's frustrating. Then I'm just sitting here threading every one of these. It's probably also my second cup of coffee. I had 2 cups. It's 5 o'clock right now. I just got done drinking my second cup, a thermos I should say. So maybe I had too much coffee today to do this, but I'm getting it done, and that's all that matters, right? So if you guys are wondering about this machine, I am going to run it once we're done with this. I'm doing all the testing. I have my digital tester here, and we're going to see how it runs. And I'm going to run hats right away. So I will record that, and we'll make a video out of it and see how this goes. So on the screen, you pick your needle. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go to shortcut menu, face thread hold action, open upper thread hold function. So it releases this little brake thing, so then I can do my testing. They're really changing the tension on these because on the video it says 50 to 60, which is just crazy to me. But I'm going to go the same settings as my 10 needle because it's all the same functions up here. So we're going to try that first for hats because I do so many hats with that one and it's dialed, so I don't want to mess it up. So that's why we're going to go that route, if you're wondering. But I got rid of my chair with wheels, and kind of wish I didn't, because this is 2 heads. So as I open the function for needle 3, it opens both of them. So I might as well come down here right away and thread this one and then also test it. I'm trying to go 75 and 80 to start out with this. Like I said, that's what I have them on my hats for the 10 needle. So I figured let's just keep it the same for now. I'm going to switch needles, and to do that you go to color change menu and then needle 4 and the whole thing shifts. So this just feels like it takes forever. It's probably because I had too much coffee, to be honest, but it really does feel like it's going to take forever. And I did a test out on this machine, which is weird because some of these, you know, and it could be from shipping, but it's hard to believe that they moved that much. They were set at 178 and 100, was it 178 and then 156? That's crazy to me. So, oh, it's really tough, so I gotta go back, go to shortcut menu, go up to thread, open it. Now I can test it. Definitely gonna get some used to it, that's for sure. A lot of changes. This one was set at 66. The one thing I need to figure out is on the other one, the other 2, they have a dial on the side that you can turn and have that hook come out. They don't have this on this, so I have to figure out in the computer where that is, because I'd rather have them hook it than face from the top, because when you pull up here and put it in the spring, I always feel like it leaves a tail that's so long on there, and then you're cutting it off and it's just not the same. The other thing I noticed with this is all the needles are facing straight out, where the other ones are turned a little bit. I'll come back when I'm done getting this in. And when I load my first hat, you'll be here with me. I have to run hats. I don't have to. Let me rephrase that. I don't have to run hats. I want to run hats. I have a bunch of orders to get out, and that's why I wanted this machine, is for hats. The one thing that's driving me insane is these are different hoops, magnet hoops. So I have to buy more hoops. Like, I was expecting to buy more hoops, you know, because I got this. I was going to buy 2 more. But now they're completely different than the 15. So I'm just like, ugh. Why can't they keep them all the same? So now, that's a big expense. Those are $150 each. So that's $600 just in hoops. So I am not going to be buying hoops for this for a while until I get some of these hats done. And then money coming in with that, I probably will buy some. But for now, it's a hat machine. That's what I'm going to cruise with it. So this is all done, all set up. It's the same tension as the 10 needle because it's the same wheels, same like new update deal. So we're going to test it. We're going to go with it. I'm going to put in some hats. I got some spares over there. We're going to see how it turns out. And if it turns out good, I'm going to run the customer's job right away. So let's go. Ooh, I like that. They slowed that tracing down a ton. That is really, really nice. Alright. Pick the color. We're going to go with black. You know what I got? You know what I got to do? I gotta enter all the color. So let me do that first. All the colors ready? Let's try it. I don't know how this is gonna go. What the hell? Hit start. And we got a thread break. Alright. First time for everything. Back up 20. Let's see where we're at. Whoa. I done did something. The needles aren't going now. What in the world did I do? What did I do? I think I gotta call support. I don't know what I did. Oh, I'm sure I'll figure it out. What the heck? Doesn't want to go. Main shaft to 0. See, it's not. Oh man, I'm gonna have to contact support because it's not doing. I even clicked main shaft 0 and she ain't going. Why is that? Too many safety things. I'm gonna have to find support, see what happened, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I did to fix it. So apparently it just had to be caught up where it left off last and then it started going. Okay. What? Something's up with that thread. We gotta fix that one. That one's being a pain in the butt. Can't do this to me. Not in the mood for this. So I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on, why I backed up 20, and when I hit start it won't run until it gets to a certain spot and then it goes. See? Alright, it is the next day. As you can tell, I have a different shirt on. So the machine's up and running. There has to be some updates. I went and talked to them last night. They're sending me it tonight on all the updates you gotta do. So for the back feed, it's supposed to back up just like the other machines, like those two, and just start running right away. So what I have to do is just flip this switch, and that's fine for now, but it'll work. And they're gonna send me an update, and then boom, it'll be fixed. So not the end of the world. Everything so far is running really well. I have these hats currently running at 750, and I am pounding through these. Now, on the other machines over here, the 10 needle and 15 needle, these hats would typically take about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the machine and kind of the day. I feel like every machine, with the lasers, all of it, even the printer and the computer, they all have their days. But this is 750, and we're cruising. So this is taking about 6, so round up 7 minutes a hat, or for 2 hats to be done. So I am just excited as heck. This has been gonna be a game changer for me for sure. I am pumped. So I got some tricks. I'm already going through what I'm gonna change, some modifications and such that I wanna make better on here. So I'll make another video on it, but so far it's not too shabby. Thing like shake a lot. It is a heavy machine. If you guys are wondering, it is a very heavy machine. So this was 50 hat order, and I got this done pretty darn quick, under 3 hours. So I got a couple more. I got another 50 hat order to do with leather patches on it and everything. So I'm gonna get that going in the laser, get all the patches done. So as soon as these are done, we'll switch over and we're gonna go to leather patches. So I'm excited. And then, who has been around for a while? If you've been around, let's talk about something else. All right, the Epson F2100 Surcolor, running into a ton of problems. I have the lines here, they're full of ink, they're clogged. So I'm not too excited about that. Just more work, more replacements. I have a lot of money into this thing so far, and nowhere close to being running. A new head, I had to order a head. That's $2,500 just for a head. So, and all this just so I can print a shirt on demand basically right away. So I hope it's worth it, all said and done. But that's where I'm at with the printer. Some more bad news. Time I'm done fixing up, there won't be an old part on this thing pretty much, except for the plastic skin on the outside, because I've replaced that many parts. So that's where I'm at. I'll do a full video on this, all said and done. But until then, glad you got to see me again. Bye.